Monarch Money Investing Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Monarch Money are in the description if you want to check it out. Now let's get straight to the review. Monarch Money is a comprehensive personal finance and investment management tool designed for individuals who want to take control of their finances, track investments, and plan for their financial future. It's particularly suitable for people looking for an all-in-one platform to manage everything from budgeting to retirement planning without needing to rely on multiple apps or spreadsheets. One of its standout features is its portfolio tracking and investment analysis capabilities. Monarch Money allows you to sync your brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, and other investments, giving you a holistic view of your financial portfolio. It provides performance tracking, asset allocation analysis, and real-time insights into how your investments are performing. This feature makes it easier for investors to monitor their portfolios, assess risk, and make adjustments to align with long-term goals. Another major strength is its budgeting and financial planning tools. Monarch Money allows users to set financial goals, track spending, and receive insights based on their financial habits. Whether it's saving for a major purchase or planning for retirement, the app provides tailored recommendations and actionable steps to stay on track. It integrates with bank accounts and credit cards to automatically categorize and track expenses, streamlining the budgeting process. However, Monarch Money isn't without its limitations. While it offers a comprehensive suite of tools, it lacks some advanced investment features, such as tax optimization and detailed tax loss harvesting, which more advanced investors may find lacking. Additionally, while the premium version includes personalized advice and additional features, it may not be necessary for everyone, especially those with simpler financial situations. In summary, Monarch Money is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a simple yet effective way to manage their finances and investments. If you're looking for a unified platform to track your spending, investments, and financial goals, check the links in the description for more details. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing insights.